Hi everyone, good morning. It's Yana here again. Okay, today I'm going to Ikea. That's located at Alexandra and also Mustafa Center to do some shopping. The shopping is of course connected to my ketogenic diet. I need to get something that's able to increase my cooking efficiency, and I need to replenish some stuff, some grocery stuff. I'm not too sure whether will I be getting any poultry, meat, or fish, whatever, because I'll be meeting my husband later in the evening for dinner. Probably I might not. Probably I'll just get some dry items from Mustafa Center, and I need to get an oven dish to bake my shepherd's pie or other ketogenic pie. So yeah, I shall bring you around today. I know it's been a while since I bring you people around, regardless traveling or within Singapore. Okay, by the way, I just wanted to share that recently I have actually purchased an instant pot, but probably due to the distance of transportation from US to Singapore, twice the instant pot were damaged along the way. The first instant pot actually didn't reach me, was damaged at the I think at the delivery area, one of the center, one of the Amazon center lah. I don't know where. So it didn't reach me. So because of the damaged instant pot, they have sent me a replacement, which I gladly accept, and also waiting for it to be delivered. And finally, it was delivered about 4 days ago. Actually, I have already filmed an unboxing of the instant pot. However, I'm not able to upload the video as it's a defective pot. By the way, this time I emailed them asking Amazon to actually refund my money instead of giving me a replacement, because I think it's time to move on from instant pot. I do not want to how to put it, torture those instant pot siblings, because you know, it seems that they're not durable enough. I'm not too sure, because I don't have an instant pot. Probably they are durable. I'm sure there's a lot of Singaporean or people from other country who is able to get hold of instant pot. Probably I'm just unfortunate. So since 2 of the instant pot that's were delivered to me apparently didn't reach me due to damage, and also has reached me but it's defective. I think it's damaged along the way. So I decided to just move on and just get a similar multi cooker from the local departmental store. So, but however, even though I didn't get hold of my instant pots, I know it's not the instant pot vendor fault or it's Amazon's fault. I think it's just along the way during the transportation, it just, yeah, the pot just don't survive. But still, I would like to compliment Amazon for being amazing. Whenever I send an email, they reply very promptly, and they didn't put me through any stress, and I feel so secure dealing with Amazon. And initially when my first instant pot didn't reach me due to damage, right, they have actually refunded my delivery charges, and now when I requested for refund, they didn't ask a lot of cash, they didn't prop, they didn't put me any lots of stress. They actually willing to refund me and guided me on how to return the defective instant pot. Yeah, all is good. Amazon is amazing. But now I need to make an arrangement to get the instant pot delivered. I don't think so I can do it immediately, because I need to print, I think, a delivery document or something, and I don't have a printer at home. I need to wait for Monday, and I need to check with UPS whether they are able to deliver, I mean, if they are able to pick up the item from me at night. If not, also I think have to wait during the weekend. So yeah, I will try to deliver back the instant pot within a week. Okay, I need to get going. I'll catch you all later. Ta-da! Okay, hi everyone. I'm now in the bus heading towards Ikea. Okay, I forgot to mention that one of the reasons why I'm heading to Ikea is to get inspiration for my upcoming home. Actually, I'm looking at kitchen cabinets. Yeah, so I hope to have ideas from Ikea on how to do my kitchen cabinet. Most likely, the theme for my kitchen cabinet will be Scandinavian, or also known as Nordic. Hi everyone, now I'm already at Ikea. Okay, I'm looking for an inspiration that's practical. not too over the top, but nice. Because okay, my upcoming home will be a 4-room BTO. Okay, for Singaporean, you all will know what is BTO home and how big is BTO home. It's not that big after all. So I'm looking for something practical. And I don't like a congested home. I want my home to be as roomy as possible, but with all the required cabinets or gadgets up. So okay, so I'll just look around now and we'll take pictures of things that I think will be very practical for my home and something that we can afford it. Okay, what do you guys think of this sofa? Okay, most likely husband and I will be getting this type of sofa, but definitely this is not a color, because as I mentioned earlier, it will be a Scandinavian Nordic kind of theme. So it will be either in light brown or dark brown. We haven't decided, but it's yeah, we're getting it in the brown tone. Okay, by the way, I would like to highlight here that I'm getting the inspiration from Ikea, but I might not be getting the item from Ikea because we just want to compare prices and quality with other furniture shop. Okay, so let's check out the price. Okay, in Ikea, the price of this furniture, price of this sofa is 1,200. So I will just take note of it and compare it with other furniture shop. Guys, this is another similar sofa, but it costs about $10 cheaper, 1190. But I prefer the other sofa as it's more sturdy. Guys, this is the color that we're looking for. Most of our furniture in the new home, we have this kind of color tone, the brown color tone. And this is kind of nice TV console. Let's check out the price here. Okay, it costs about 280 here. Okay, I'll take note of the pricing and compare. Today I'm going around because I need to do budgeting. I need to know how much we will be spending. So yeah, just getting an idea on the pricing of the things that we need. I will definitely be getting an island kitchen, but I'm still deciding whether I would like to make my island kitchen empty or place the stove on the island kitchen. Yeah, because I would like to make videos for all of you, so I find it weird if I don't do the stove on the island. However, I need to consider also because the island kitchen will be facing the living room, so it's kind of like might not be appropriate. But yeah, to further discuss with my husband on what is going to be very practical. Okay, a good option of dining table. Yeah, it's not that big and not that small. I think that's nice for my 4-room BTO home. So the price is $249 for the table only. Okay, it's actually for one of the table only. In this video, there's 2 of the table. So I'm not too sure whether will he actually go for this Ikea table or he will just look for another type. I kind of like it, yeah. Cheap sofa to consider. I think I will have no problem looking for our desired sofa because there seems to be plenty of the L sofa in Ikea, and I'm sure there's a lot more at other furniture shop. Come, let's move on. Guys, that seat is comfortable. I might just get the 3-seater sofa and just throw in the seat. It's really comfortable, very very comfortable. Guys, I like the color of this TV console, but I hate the gold color handle. Unlikely I'll be getting this. Somehow I find this cabinet is nice, but I doubt my husband want it because he want a clean cut backdrop for the TV area, meaning he do not want to have any cabinets or feature wall or wall feature, is it is it called? Okay, yeah, so unlikely. By the way, I'm wondering how big is this TV size, because we will be looking at least 50-inch. Between 50 to 55, definitely not more than 55, else it will be too big for the wall. As the distance between the wall to the sofa, as I have mentioned to you all earlier, that BTO home is not big, so I will not go beyond 55-inch. So max is 55 and smallest is just 50-inch. So I have no idea how big is this TV. Yeah, but then no to this cabinet unless they have a nicer version without the gold handle. I know there's a lot of dining table here, but frankly, they don't look strong. They don't look steady. So I don't think so it's suitable. even though some of the color is really nice. I will really consider putting this cabinet on the wall of my master bedroom, but again, if the color is appropriate. I don't like this black color. If I can find something similar that's in brown shades, it would be great, it would be very good. Yeah, because it's good for storage and also it's very space savvy, I would say. This is definitely the ideal sofa color. Yes, I'll be looking for this kind of sofa color for my team. My home actually have a teeny weeny Mickey Mouse balcony. I hope the space is good enough to place this table and chairs. I doubt so because the balcony is really small. I cannot imagine the size, but I know it's small. By the way, the table costs $59 and the seat costs $29.90. Okay, the design of my ideal kitchen island will look like this. Okay, and we'll be able to accommodate 3 bar stool. Yeah, so this side I hope to have the stove for cooking, and yeah, it looks something like this lah. But of course, it's definitely not this color and this material. But yeah, this is my ideal. I like this kitchen island. Okay guys, I've found the design of my dream kitchen and color. Okay, it will look something like this. Exact layout, the refrigerator, the oven, microwave, and this part. But of course there's no stove here because the stove I plan to put it on the island table, and maybe more cabinets at the top, and at one corner I want it to have the washing basin. Yeah, a hidden corner. Yeah, so I think this is going to be my inspired kitchen cabinet, and I will show you this to my ID. Yes, I love this. Probably not really the handle. I've got problem with handle, but overall, yeah, this is the closest to what I have in mind. Guys, earlier on I mentioned that for the top part of the cabinet, right, I want a full cabinet, so it'll be something like this. Okay. But the design will be something like the earlier one that I've shown you, but the top will be the full cabinet. This kind of cabinet above the bed, I think will also look good. Yeah, I think it's really good idea to put some shelving above the bed from leaving it empty and redundant, right? I think I forgot to mention that for the Scandinavian Nordic design, right, it will be for the kitchen and living room. As for the bedrooms, it will be something else lah. Yeah, I don't think so. I like to have Scandinavian design for bedroom. Probably something white. Yeah, I'm not too sure. That one has not been confirmed. But yes, for the living room and kitchen, it will be Scandinavian, Nordic. Can someone please tell me if Scandinavian is Nordic and Nordic is Scandinavian and both means the same thing, or there's a slight differences in them? Please. Our master bedroom wardrobe will most likely be an open one like this. It's actually nice. I love this idea which B has suggested, but I really need to be neat. I need to improve on my OCD because I'm not OCD at all when cleanliness is concerned. I'm a messy person, so I really need to keep myself very neat if you were to have this kind of wardrobe. Essentially, this is gorgeous, but I'm not going to look into it because I doubt I have space for all these cabinets, because like what I mentioned, my BTO unit is small. The toilet is really small. Yeah, I will revisit this toilet accessories after we get our key. Study table corner because I want to see the amount of space left for me to accommodate this study corner. But if there's limited spaces, most likely my island kitchen will double up as our workstation, and I'm fine with it without having a study corner. It's fine because I'll just be using my laptop for editing purposes, and my husband will be using his laptop maybe to check emails and follow up on something. So yeah, I think we can make it do with the island kitchen if there's space constraint for us to include a workstation. Guys, I'm getting this walk with lid. It costs only $19.90, so I shall take one. I shall take this. Yeah. Okay guys, I didn't get a lot of items. Now I'm heading to the checkout counter to make payment. I've actually gotten myself 2 types of pie dish, and this is one of it. The other one is the glass transparent one. And 2 types of bakery item, and this is the brush. Well, this is the, I think it's scraper, is it? Is it called scraper? Hi everyone, I think I have to abolish my plan to head to Mustafa Center because my bag is quite heavy. And we will just spend time at the mall opposite, and that's Anchor Point. Now about 4:30 and I'm feeling slightly hungry, so I'm now at Subway to have a snack, and this is the tuna salad. Oops, let me open this. A moment. Okay, it's tuna salad. There's lettuce, I think 4 slices of cheese, 2 scoops of tuna, avocado, and also the ranch sauce. Okay, let's dig in. I think after this salad snack, I'm gonna head to another city to meet my husband, and I'm not sure if I can eat dinner or not. It's not 4+, and I'm feeling rather full with this avocado, cheese, tuna, and lettuce. We'll see how it goes. Okay everyone, I think I'll end my video here. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great time following me around. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and to follow me on my Instagram page, and that's at Yana Mohamed, and also at Yana. Okay everyone, bye bye and have a good day. Love all of you. Bye bye. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you appreciate this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do leave your comments, as I would love to hear from all of you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love all of you. Have a good day.